Mount Everest ain't got shit on me. Mount Everest ain't got shit on me. 'Cause I'm on top of the world. I'm on top of the world. Yeah. Mortgage Dubai ain't got shit on me. You can touch the sky, but you ain't got shit on me. 'Cause I'm on top of the world. I'm on top of the world. Yeah.
Burn down my house and build it up again. Tell 'em I burn it down twice just for the fun of it. Tell 'em so much money I don't know what to do with it. Tell 'em I don't pick up my phone, ain't knowing what the time. Tell 'em I got me one gun and an alibi. Tell 'em so much love that the whole thing feel like a lie. Don't need nobody. I 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 don't need nobody.
The time to teach a stranger what you like. Every beginner's the same. I don't even remember their names. I had a line memorized, but it doesn't work that way. Missing what we had, wishing we could get that back. You see me, you want me, conquer. We will see who's stronger. I don't need to talk you through it. We're locked into it. Our love speaks like water. It's fluid. Your eyes on this vast and wild land. All you ever wanted was me, as far as the eye could see. The way you move so fluently, you learned my body with your hands. You spoke my native tongue, and your war was won.